Alright, so what's up subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. So again, this is Paul Bonin Vargas of ZEBIANMNL. So for today's video, what we will be doing is a bookmark, leather bookmark. So before we go to our new VLOGMAS video, I would like to read you an excerpt, paragraph excerpt from one of the books that I love reading, and it's by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Tama ba yung French ko? Anyway, it's The Little Prince. Boa constrictors swallow their prey whole without chewing it. After that, they are not able to move, and they sleep through the 6 months that they need for digestion. I pondered deeply then over the adventures of the jungle, and after some work with a colored pencil, I succeeded in making my first drawing. My drawing number 1. It looked like this. This one. I showed my masterpiece to the grown-ups and asked them whether the drawing frightened them. But they answered, "Frightened? Why should anyone be frightened by a hat?" My drawing was not a picture of a hat. It was a picture of a boa constrictor digesting an elephant. But since the grown-ups were not able to understand it, I made another drawing. I drew the inside of the boa constrictor so that the grown-ups could see it clearly. They always need to have things explained. My drawing number 2 looked like this. This one. The grown-ups' response this time was to advise me to lay aside my drawings of boa constrictors, whether from the inside or the outside, and devote myself instead to geography, history, arithmetic, and grammar. That is why, at the age of 6, I gave up what might have been a magnificent career as a painter. I had been disheartened by the failure of my drawing number 1 and my drawing number 2. Grown-ups never understand anything by themselves, and it is tiresome for children to be always and forever explaining things to them. Kung di mo pa nababasa tong Little Prince, I suggest you do, lalo na, for me, as a creative, may maganda kang mapupulot dito. For me, yung parang ano niya is, kailangan, you have to think like a child na, not as a carefree person, but yung imagination mo, let it run wild. Kasi, if you do it, dun mo makikita kung ano yung pwede mong magawa. Okay? And hindi ka malilimit sa mga restrictions or hindi ka magkakaroon ng limitation, and you should, in short, you should think out of the box. Alright? So, start na tayo ng ating gagawing project for today. So again, as Eb said, what we will be doing is a leather bookmark from scraps, and ito lang gagamitin natin. Alright? So, start na tayo. Alright, so let's start with our leather bookmark. So first, get your wing divider and measure at least 3 to 4 mm. And then, dito sa leather natin, ilalagyan natin ng line yung dito sa gilid, yung mahabang part. Bali yung mahabang part na to is gagamitin natin para dun sa parang leather strap na maliit na ikakabit natin dun sa bookmark natin. Alright, so yun lang. Line. Let's have a line first. Alright, then when you have that, cut it lang. Get your ruler. Alright, so when you have this, okay na to. Parang i-fold mo lang to later eh. So, tago mo muna to. And then, measure yung book. So, this one's measurement is at almost 20 centimeters. So, gawin natin 15 centimeters lang yung haba nung bookmark natin. Para may ano pa tayo nung small strap natin. Alright? Alright, when you have this one already, kunin mo na yung pambutas mo dito. Alright, so ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So para mas maging maayos, lagyan natin ng i-corner out natin yung dito sa gilid. Alright, so bale gagamitin kong alternative na pang corner out yung parang pang ano natin, yung nilalagay natin sa snaps. Alright, when you're done, syempre, lagay na natin yung mini strap na maliit. Okay. So, pasok lang dito. And, syempre, yung dulo. Okay. So, i-fix mo lang to hanggang sa maayos. Alright. So, you have your bookmark. Pero syempre, para maging personalized, lalagyan natin siya ng letter. Or para dito, gawan natin yung initials na lang ni Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. So, I'll get my letters. And you're done with your bookmark. So here's our bookmark for the book The Little Prince. Siyempre, ganyan lang siya. Right? So when you're done reading or you have to take a break, lagay mo lang. And that's it. Alright, so that's the end of our newest VLOGMAS video. So, if ever mayroon kayong gustong makita pa na video or tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our channel. And here, again, this is our leather bookmark. Tapos, if you have time, bili kayo and basa kayo ng The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. So, for more videos, do check over here on this side. And, syempre, subscribe kayo on this side. Alright? So, just mabalos!